Pyro PD, my first rocket I ever made. Yeah, there's a long fuse on it. I think it's like cannon fuse or some shit. There might be flying fish. Who fucking knows? I didn't label it this time. But it's a sugar rocket. And I fucked up. I'll tell you why. Because I should have demoed it and made a sugar rocket first. This is a sugar rocket with salute. So it's probably just going to be a salute stick. So I'm going to get the fuck back because it's probably not going to work. This is my first time ever making a rocket. I use the formula, the sugar with a stump removal. So, I don't know how this is going to work. I got a long ass tube so I can record it. So you guys are going to get to look at the wall for a second. I just tube up in here so I don't roast myself or blow myself up. And remember guys, I do this stuff so you don't have to. Fire in the motherfucking hole. We'll try to get this fucking ready. That way it don't fall down when I light it, motherfucker. Ah, safeties. Always safeties. Come on, bitch. Okay. Oh shit. It did take off. Uh-oh. It took off so fucking fast. But I didn't hear no boom. That scared me. God damn, what kind of fuse is that? Must got flash powder on it. Something. I don't even know if I want to put that on YouTube. Peace out, guys.